Hello everyone, I'm Chris Erkley and welcome to your Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. We're talking about Corona pastor Lonny Remmers, some interesting testimony in court today. I'm joined now by Brian Rocco. So Brian, we understand that testimony from a Corona detective said that the 13-year-old victim in this case said he feared for his life.
Right, and first of all, the big news of the day is that Lonny Remmers has been ordered to stand trial on all charges against him, including kidnapping and inflicting corporal injury on a minor. His co-defendants, Darrell Jeter Jr. and Nicholas Craig, they were ordered to stand trial on 6 of 9 counts, including kidnapping and assault. 2 of the counts that were dismissed had to do with the plier incident at Lonny Remmers' home, where allegedly he took the pliers to the young boy's nipple and squeezed that. Regarding the interesting testimony, Corona Police Detective Brad Voorhees testified today that the boy told him that he feared for his life, or actually thought he was going to die, when he was forced to dig a grave out in the Barstow desert. Dirt was kicked on him, and he screamed into a recording, "I want my Jesus."
And some interesting, another detail involving the boy came out today.
Right, we had reported that the reason his mother brought him to Remmers was to be straightened out after a sexual assault. Well, it turns out that the boy, who turns 14 on Sunday, according to the detective, at least twice actually raped his 7-year-old sister. That was startling testimony, and the defense attorneys were saying that Craig and Jeter, they were trying to scare the boy straight. They were trying to punish him so he wouldn't do anything like that again. And they tried to say his injuries weren't all that severe. That the boy did not go by force. He went willingly, but the judge was not buying that.
And how do we see things playing out from here?
Well, they're going to set a court date for a trial. We'll get that pretty soon, and what we're going to see is more eyewitness testimony. I'm sure we'll see the boy himself on the stand. Today it was
referred to as John Doe.
Right, referred to as John Doe. We know the boy's name, but we're not publishing it because he's a minor. But the testimony today was police detectives reporting, and they're allowed to report hearsay by state law, hearsay as to what other witnesses told them.
All right, Brian, thanks for joining us. That does it for our Friday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Be sure to stay tuned right here on PE.com for the latest breaking news.